This brand is made by Unitary Products Group, which is a part of Johnson Controls. They are made in America and sold in the USA through a factory-authorized dealer network. They use aluminized steel primary heat exchangers which resist corrosion but are not as durable as brands that use stainless steel. The units use hot surface ignition, which is quieter and more reliable than brands that use spark ignition, but their warranty is not as good as other brands and does not include a furnace replacement guarantee in case of heat exchanger failure. The RGF-19E models are basic 95% AFUE efficient gas furnaces with a fixed-speed blower motor, while the RGF-29E is a premium 2-stage furnace with a 2-speed inducer and a fixed-speed blower motor. The brand does not offer models that qualify for the HVAC Repair Guy Ultimate category. This brand receives an overall 2-star don't buy rating from HVAC Repair Guy. Please share your thoughts and experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HVAC Repair Guy YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and God bless.